Hello everyone, welcome back to the LearnPress tutorial series. In my previous video, I already discussed what is LearnPress and how LearnPress LMS work in WordPress. That is the video. The link I will give in the video description or in the I button. By clicking that, you can easily watch that video. Now in this video tutorial, I am going to teach you how to install the LearnPress in WordPress and complete the basic setup in step-by-step manner. We will install the LearnPress plugin, activate it, go through the initial setup, configure the important setting, and also we take a look of the LearnPress dashboard. So that is my WordPress dashboard, and here actually I already installed the Idoma theme because I have to install a LearnPress supported theme, and Idoma is one of the best theme which support the LearnPress plugin. So now I have to install the LearnPress plugin. So for adding the plugin, I have to hover on the plugin, and after that I have to click in the add plugin option. Now in this search bar actually I have to search for the LearnPress. So that is the plugin what I needed, LearnPress WordPress LMS plugin for create and sell the online courses. Let me click in the install now option. After successfully install, I have to click in the activate option for activating the LearnPress plugin. So as you can see, I successfully install and activate the LearnPress plugin, and here you can see one extra option already added as LearnPress. Okay. Now let me click in the quick setup option for the LearnPress. Let me click in the run setup wizard. So as you can see here, the LearnPress already create lot of pages what is required for creating a LMS website. As you can see, the course page already selected as a course. The instructor page already selected as instructor page. The single instructor page already selected as instructor. The profile page already selected as profile. Similarly, here you can see all the important page already created. Now let me click in the continue option. So now it asking the PayPal email ID and it asking to choose the currency. I will set up this later. Let me click in the continue option. So now we can see install demo course, create a new course, view documents, and back to dashboard option are coming. If you want to install a demo course, then you can click in this option. If you want to directly create a new course, then you can directly click in the create a new course option. Don't worry, in my next video tutorial, I'll teach you how you can create a course in LearnPress. So now let me come back to the dashboard. So for that I have to click in the back to the dashboard option. So now let me hover on the LearnPress, and from there I have to click in the settings option. Now from here actually we can configure different part of our LMS website. We can find several important setting session from here. So first of all, the general setting tab. So from here you can see all the default page setup. So as you can see, this logout redirected page is not selected. Suppose you want after someone log out, he will go to the course page. So here you can see the course page is there. Click on that. Similarly, here is the currency setup session. Okay. So by default it will be USD. If you want to change, always you can do that. Suppose you want in INR. So just search for the INR. That is the INR. You can click that. But here I am keeping it in USD only. After that, from here publish profile not required. This also not required. Instructor registration, yes, I want that. Let me click in the save settings. So after that is the course setting. The course setting control how the course work and how the course related information is displayed to the student. Next is the profile setting. In the profile setting, it allows us to control the student and instructor profile area. Enable login form, yes, I want that. Registration form also, yes, I want that. And default field, I want the first name, last name, and display name also. Let me click in the save settings. So after that, here you can see the payment settings. The payment settings are important when you want to sell paid courses and accept the payment from the student. We will discuss payment gateway detail in later video tutorial session. I'll create a dedicated video on how to set up the payments in LearnPress. So after that, here you can see the email setting option is there. From the email setting, we can configure the email notification sent by the LearnPress. And after that, here you can see the permalink settings. So how you want to display your permalink, you can choose from here. After that is the advanced setting. So from here, you can choose the width container. After that, primary color, secondary color. From here, you can manage. Okay. After that, here you can see the LearnPress AI. If you want to activate the LearnPress AI, then here actually you have to enter the secret key of the OpenAI. After that you can choose the AI model and frequency, image module, etc. from here. Okay. LearnPress also use important pages for different LMS function. For example, we need pages for displaying courses, student profiles, and other LearnPress functionality. It's important to check all the pages are configured correctly or not. So for that, let me click in the pages. Let me check all the pages successfully created or not. So as you can see, for the instructor, checkout page, course page, instructor page, for the instructors page, for the profile page, LearnPress already create default pages. Now let's quickly explore the LearnPress dashboard. The most important session here is the course. Here you can see the course field is there. That is the most important feature of the LearnPress dashboard. This is where we can create and manage our online courses. We also have the option called lesson, which are the learning content inside our courses. Okay, the quizzes and question session allow us to create quizzes and test our students. This category option belong to the course categories. And after that, here you can see the order session. From this order session, actually you can manage your online orders. After that, in the student session, here you can see all the student progress. And after that, here you can see the statistics session, and that is the add-on session. If you click on the add-on session, so from here actually you can install and activate all the important add-on for the LearnPress. As you can see here, there are total 42 add-on. Now whatever the required add-on is there, you can install them from here, and after installing you can activate them also. So after that, that is the setting option, where we can configure how the LearnPress work in our website. For now, we are only exploring those options. Okay, in my upcoming video we will learn how to use each of them in detail. So now let me check my website, how it's looking now. So as you can see, my website is looking like that. In my next video we will start create our first course, and then we will able to see how our online learning website start taking shape. And one important thing I want to tell you, that the design and appearance of your LearnPress website will be depend on the WordPress theme you are going to use. LearnPress handle the LMS functionality, where your theme control much on the website overall design and layout. Later in the tutorial series, we will create and customize the LMS website design. Then I will teach you in detail how you can create different kind of design by using LearnPress comfortable theme. And in my tutorial series, I am going to use the Idoma theme. Okay, so I am ending this video tutorial here. So in this video tutorial, we learned how you can install the LearnPress in the website. We install, activate LearnPress plugin, complete the initial setup, check the important settings, explore the LearnPress dashboard, and look the basic LMS structure. So hope the video is informative for you. If you like this video, then please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, so whenever I am going to upload any new video on the LearnPress, you will get the instant notification. The playlist link I will give you in the video description. So from there you can access the LearnPress playlist. Thank you. Have a nice day.